Paying credit card bills in HDFC Netbanking is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, go to the HDFC Netbanking website and log in to your account. After that, you will get to see an option that says Cards, so click on the Cards tab. Here, select the option that says Pay Credit Card Bills from the drop-down menu. Choose the credit card you want to pay from the list of cards. Next, enter the amount you want to pay in the Amount field. Then select the payment date from the Payable Date drop-down menu. You can select whichever date and pay at a later date. Click on the Proceed button. Also, review the payment details and click on the Confirm button. Lastly, enter your net banking password and click on the Submit button.